Welcome to helpviavideo.com. Today I'm going to teach you about torrenting, how to torrent a file, how to download it, how to install a torrent application. And once you learn how to use torrents, you will no longer want to use applications such as LimeWire, Kazaa, or Morpheus. So the first thing you need to do to torrent is download a torrent downloading software. So the first thing you would want to do is go to a site like utorrent.com or BitTorrent. You can Google them as well. And then once here, you would want to download the torrent application. It's a very small application as well. I'm going to choose to download it to my desktop. And there you go, the application is installed. Now that I see that it's installed and running, I'm going to go to legaltorrents.com and I'm going to try and find something to download here. This Bill Gates episode looks interesting to me. It's on beta.legaltorrents.com. How I'm trying to change the world now. I'm going to choose to download this torrent. Seems simple enough. Now it looks like this file has not been linked to uTorrent. So this, as I'm going to download it, it doesn't know what I should download it with, but it does know that it's a torrent file. So I'm going to browse to where I downloaded that file, the torrent application, so that it knows to always use uTorrent when downloading. I know that I saved it to my desktop, and there it is. Clicked on it, open, and now it knows to open with uTorrent. I'm going to choose to do this automatically for files like this from now on. And here basically is the actual file that I'm trying to download. But with this one, they also give you a description, legal torrent, something about the website, and a license for it. So I'm going to choose OK. And as you see, it will begin to download here. They always start out slow and speed up over time. And at the same time as you're downloading, you're also uploading. Now there's also settings in here that you're going to want to tinker with to increase your speed, maybe decrease your upload speed, things like that. The ports you use for incoming connections, the bandwidth that you're going to use, how many torrents you can download at one time, all sorts of different settings you have in the preferences for uTorrent. As you see, this is a very fast torrent as well. It's downloading at a good click. It's going to be done. It's a 276 meg file. It's going to be done in about 10 minutes. Not bad at all. Other sites I've heard of people using are sites such as torrents.com with a Z. It is like a mass search feature website that it searches a bunch of other torrent sites for the files or downloads that you want, that you search for. So for example, if I was to search the word poker, I get, several pages of results, as you can see here, page 1 through 51 and on. Let's say I wanted to get High Stakes Poker Season 5 Episode 2. I'd click here, and here are the multitude of sites that are hosting that episode right now. Mininova and the Pirate Bay are probably the most two popular, so I'm going to click on Mininova. Now if I was to download this file, I would do like I did with the Bill Gates one, and I would click download this torrent, and it would do everything like you saw with Bill Gates. Another thing you must always do is click on the comments and thanks tab and make sure you read the people's comments. Here they're going to tell you if the file is good file, a bad file, good quality, bad quality. It's also going to tell you if they're going to tell you if it has any viruses as well. So you want to stick to ones that of course have no viruses and are good quality. Let's see what the Pirate Bay is like. Guess I have to go here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, piratebay.org. And this is simply another site that does it. So all I would do for this one is click on download this torrent, and it would do the same thing. It gives you a description here of what file you are downloading, and again there's comments below on this site. That is basically it for how to torrent. Again, you see the torrent here down in the taskbar. Double click it, it opens up, shows me how much time I have left to download. And when you X this out with uTorrent, it is still running in the background. You have to remember that you have to right click and exit to truly stop it. Of course, I want to ensure that the Bill Gates download continues, so I'm going to click it again. And there we are, still at 53%, and it will start up again right where it left off, and you won't lose anything as a result of stopping it there either. That is basically a quick version of how to torrent in a nutshell. And thanks again for watching helpviavideo.com.